Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today guys, we are going to be making spice wrapped baked chicken with simple, sweet and spicy molasses barbecue sauce. So guys, let's get started. You know Mama Bui doesn't like to waste time. So here in the bowl I have the best homemade dry rub ingredients ever. Now let's get into the ingredients. So here I have salt, smoked paprika, black pepper and garlic seasoning, onion powder, Lawry salt seasoning, red pepper flakes, thyme and chili powder. Mix everything together, then rub on the chicken, making sure that each and every piece is coated with the seasoning. Next, drizzle the chicken with some olive oil. This will add so much needed moisture and also to give the spice wrap something to stick to. Now cover with a plastic wrap and let the chicken marinate for 2 hours in the refrigerator. It's been 2 hours. Grease a baking sheet, then arrange the chicken pieces on a baking sheet and bake uncovered in the oven at 375 degrees for 45 to 55 minutes or until the chicken reaches an internal temperature of 165 degrees. Use a cooking thermometer to ensure chicken is fully cooked. In a medium saucepan, add 2 cups of your favorite ketchup as the base in this sauce. Add molasses. Use unsulphured molasses, guys. We're gonna also add apple cider vinegar, onion powder, garlic powder, dry mustard, cayenne pepper, salt, black pepper and brown sugar. Whisk together all the ingredients, cook in a medium heat, allow to come to a bubble and then reduce the heat to low. Simmer until thickened about 10 minutes. At 45 minutes mark, we're gonna remove the chicken from the oven and baste with barbecue sauce 3 times. Then we're gonna broil for 2 minutes the first time, and every time the barbecue is added, it thickens and caramelizes in the oven. By the time you have added that 3rd layer, you've got a delicious, thick, sweet, sticky layer of barbecue on every inch of the chicken. After basting the chicken for the 2nd and 3rd time, broil the chicken 1 minute each time. Then your chicken will be ready to be served. There you have it, guys. Juicy spice wrapped baked chicken. It's crispy on the outside, tender and juicy on the inside. So flavorful, guys, and delicious. I hope you will try this recipe. Serve with your favorite sides. I served mine with yellow rice with steamed broccoli and sliced beetroots. If you are new here, welcome to Mama Bui's Kitchen. Don't forget to subscribe and to like the video. If you are returning, thank you so much for your support. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my heart.